In today's fast-changing and highly competitive pharmaceutical industry marketplace, global pharmaceutical companies can look towards emerging markets to sustain growth and find new market share. Africa's pharmaceutical market size is estimated to be worth $60 billion and will grow at a compound annual growth rate of 10% per year. This rapid growth in Africa is occurring against the backdrop of slowing in most of the developed markets. Pharmaceutical companies seeking new sources of growth in emerging markets have a great opportunity to become part of Africa's success story. To achieve this goal, the companies must first position their pharmaceutical products properly for the emerging markets, right from clinical trials to market access. Increasing access to internet medical information, improving literacy, and a growing demand for Africa-specific clinical evidence of safety and efficacy for new vaccines and treatments require that multinational companies reset how they react to these changing realities in the African continent. So, how can the medical affairs departments position pharmaceutical products for the emerging markets? Hi, my name is Dr. Amos Ndhere. I'm a clinical investigator and regulatory affairs specialist. My favorite thing is to give you tools, tips, and the framework to help you advance pharmaceutical product research and development and market access in the emerging markets. Let's get started. Number 1. Optimize product value. Global pharmaceutical companies seeking to grow in Africa should focus on optimizing value across the entire product life cycle and effectively communicate the product value to Africa health stakeholders, including regulatory authorities, healthcare workers, payers, patients, and their caregivers in the appropriate languages and cultural contexts. In fact, patients in Africa are taking a more greater role in seeking medical information and making informed choices based on value, which can vary greatly across cultures and geography. Number 2. Generate Africa-specific clinical evidence of benefit. There's a growing demand now for Africa-specific clinical trial data regarding product safety and effectiveness. As a result, new clinical pipelines should be designed and developed with Africa in mind right from the onset. Global pharmaceutical companies must be intentional in conducting more clinical trials in the African population to be able to demonstrate Africa-specific evidence of benefit and safety for the products they plan to market in the African continent. Number 3. Develop local teams and partnerships. In order to succeed in Africa, global pharmaceutical companies should acquire and develop local talent with understanding of local medical practices and patients' needs and derive relevant insights, and to cultivate and build a strong multifaceted medical affairs group that encompasses the new set of competencies required to navigate the future healthcare landscape across the African continent. Much work will be required to win. At the heart of all these efforts, improved patient care and outcomes must be the central motivation for the medical affairs leaders.